In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change age ratings on Disney Plus. So it's very easy. First of all, you want to sign in on Disney Plus. Make sure you're signed in. You want to come to the top right up here, go to Profile, Edit Profiles. Now here it's going to ask you to sign in again, so click the one you want and it's going to ask you to put your code in. From here it's going to bring us a page like this, and there's a lot of different profile settings you can edit in here. For us, we want to go down to Parental Controls and go to Content Rating. Now it's going to ask you to put your password in here so that you can remove it, so I'm going to do that now. Now from here we can select which age rating things we want to watch. So 18 plus means that we can watch anything basically. 16 is 16 and below. 14 is 14 and below, 12 is 12 and below, 9 is 9 and below, 6 is 6 and below, and 0 is, I don't even know who's watching that, to be honest. But from here you can just click which one you want, hit save, and that's going to update the settings for you. And that's how you do it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.